Bob Marley. The name alone evokes images of swaying palm trees, the rhythmic pulse of reggae, and a message of peace and unity that resonated across the globe. Born Robert Nesta Marley in the rural Jamaican village of 9 Miles, his life was a testament to the transformative power of music. From humble beginnings, he rose to become a global icon, his lyrics echoing the struggles and aspirations of the oppressed and marginalized. Marley's music was more than just entertainment. It was a powerful tool for social commentary and political awakening. His songs gave voice to the voiceless, challenging social injustices and inspiring hope in the face of adversity. This essay delves into the life and legacy of Bob Marley, exploring his profound impact on Jamaica and the world. We will examine how his music became synonymous with the fight for equality, justice, and freedom. From the ghettos of Kingston to international stages, Marley's message of love, unity, and rebellion against oppression continues to inspire generations. His life story is a testament to the power of one man and his music to change the world. The Bob Marley's musical journey began in the heart of Trenchtown, a poverty-stricken ghetto in Kingston, Jamaica. Life in Trenchtown was harsh, marked by unemployment, violence, and social unrest. These experiences deeply influenced Marley's music, shaping his lyrics and worldview. He witnessed firsthand the struggles of the marginalized and disenfranchised, their voices often silenced by those in power. Marley's music became a powerful outlet for expressing the frustrations and aspirations of the Trenchtown community. His songs tackled sensitive political issues, exposing corruption, poverty, and inequality. He challenged the status quo, urging listeners to question authority and fight for their rights. Through his music, Marley gave a voice to the voiceless. He became the voice of the oppressed, amplifying their struggles and demands for justice. His music transcended entertainment, evolving into a form of social and political activism that resonated deeply with those who felt marginalized and ignored. Many of Bob Marley's songs became anthems for change, their lyrics carrying powerful messages of resistance and liberation. "Get Up, Stand Up" served as a rallying cry for the oppressed, urging them to fight for their rights. The song's powerful message of defiance resonated with audiences worldwide, becoming a symbol of resistance against injustice and oppression. Redemption Song, a poignant acoustic ballad, explored themes of slavery, colonialism, and the enduring fight for freedom. The song's powerful lyrics, delivered with Marley's soulful vocals, served as a reminder of the struggles of the past and the importance of continuing the fight for liberation. Buffalo Soldier, inspired by the history of African American soldiers who fought in the American Indian Wars, shed light on the exploitation and oppression faced by marginalized communities throughout history. Through these songs and many others, Marley used his platform to raise awareness about social injustices and inspire change. Section 4. A global icon, Marley's music transcends borders. Bob Marley's music transcended geographical boundaries, captivating audiences worldwide. His message of love, unity, and social justice resonated with people from all walks of life, regardless of their background or ethnicity. In Africa, Marley's music became synonymous with the fight against colonialism and apartheid. His songs provided hope and inspiration to those struggling for liberation, solidifying his status as a global icon. In Europe and North America, Marley's music broke down racial barriers, introducing reggae music to a wider audience. His concerts became legendary, attracting diverse crowds, united by their love for his music and message. From the streets of Kingston to international stages, Bob Marley's music spread like wildfire, carrying a message of hope, unity, and resistance that continues to resonate with generations. Section 5. Early influences. From football fields to music studios, Bob Marley's passion for music was evident from a young age, but few know about his early love for football. Growing up in Trenchtown, football was more than just a game, it was an escape from the harsh realities of ghetto life. Marley excelled at the sport, his natural talent and agility evident on the field. He often said that football taught him valuable life lessons about teamwork, discipline, and perseverance. These lessons would later translate into his music career, where he approached songwriting and performing with the same passion and dedication he displayed on the football field. While music eventually became his primary focus, football remained an integral part of Marley's life. He saw the sport as a unifying force, bringing people together regardless of their background or beliefs. This belief in the power of unity and togetherness became a central theme in his music, inspiring millions worldwide. Section 6. Conclusion. Bob Marley's enduring legacy. Bob Marley's influence on music and society remains as potent today as it was during his lifetime. His songs continue to inspire and uplift, reminding us of the power of music to transcend borders and effect change. More than just a musician, Marley was a cultural icon, a revolutionary figure who used his platform to advocate for peace, justice, and equality. His legacy extends beyond his music, inspiring countless artists, activists, and individuals to use their voices to fight for a better world. Bob Marley's life and music serve as a timeless reminder that even amidst adversity, hope and unity can prevail. His message of love, peace, and social justice continues to resonate with each passing generation, ensuring that his legacy as a musical prophet and revolutionary will endure for years to come. Bob Marley's music transcended entertainment. It became a global soundtrack for change, reminding us that one love can indeed conquer all.